guys! So I know all of you are anxious to see who won in the giveaway. Thank you all for participating. It means so much to me. But before we talk about any of that, we have to talk about Mother's Day today. Whether you're celebrating your aunt, your sister, your mom, I don't know. But have you done anything special for them? Like, have you made breakfast? Have you cleaned the house? If not, get on it. And I will show you how to make a super easy gift for your mother. Or, I don't know. Let's get started. First you'll need hot glue and glitter. You'll also need eye pins and a fun mold. So the first step is to put some glitter in your mold and then pour hot glue on. And in between each layer, add glitter and then glue, glitter and then glue until it's all filled up. But don't forget to put an eye pin in before it dries, because if you don't, that's bad. And you have to start all over. So, well, that was all the steps, but I told you guys it was easy, so let's get started. So I already made one, so we don't have to wait for the glue to dry. So if you're wondering why there's already one there, that's the reason. Now, all you have to do is attach it on a string, or put it on a string, and give it to the person you care about. Or the mother you care about, because Father's Day isn't until... You get my point. Just give it to the person. So, now, the moment you've all been waiting for, I'm going to announce the winner! And before I do, I just want to say that first, I chose it as a raffle, so I didn't specifically pick out anyone. And two, if you didn't win, don't feel bad. There's so many other opportunities, and I wish I can give all of you a prize. So don't feel bad. And I didn't purposely not pick you. And thank you so much for subscribing and watching my videos. It makes me feel super nice. So, without further ado, the winner of this giveaway is Kiki's Awesome World. Congratulations, Kiki. I'm gonna read her comment. Hold on, I'm gonna need my glasses because I kind of can't see it. She said, one embarrassing moment was in 5th grade. She's in 6th now. She was at lunch, and it says, I told my friends at lunch who I like, and later one of my friends told them another embarrassing moment was a while ago. I think I was in 4th grade and I was in a club, but it was not a school club. And in the club we were learning the flute, and my mom and another girl still did not know the song when we came to performance day. So it was 5 or 6 people in the group. So I had to pretend I was playing and stupidly stopped and was whispered to her ear saying how much I cannot play. And I'm pretty sure everyone in the crowd saw. Oh, okay. So that's embarrassing. I can kind of relate to the crush thing because my friends are annoying when it comes to my crush, but the music thing, I mean, just playing in front of people is nerve-wracking, and I can't even imagine not even knowing how to play the song, so I can't believe you had to go through that. But congratulations on winning, and thank you all so much for watching my videos and participating in this giveaway. And if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye!